How to make money at 27. Money gives you independence, there is no doubt about it. When you have enough money, you can live where you want, take care of your needs, indulge into your hobbies, plan a trip to your favorite destination, and fulfill your wishes. Whether anyone says it is money that gives you the power to achieve your dreams. Having money makes it possible for you to start a business you want, build the house you always desired, pay the costs linked with having a family, or achieve other goals. Money also gives you security. When you have enough money in the bank, you'll never need to worry about many things such as having a roof over your head or having enough to eat or being able to visit a doctor when you're sick. These are the reasons why it's important to work hard, earn more, and learn how to save and invest it. If you are 27 and have no stable source of income and are constantly worried about it, you don't need to worry now. Today I'll be telling you the 5 best methods to make money and earn those millions at 27. Before we get started and get to know about the 5 best ways to make money at 27, subscribe to my technical solution and like and share the video. This will help my channel grow, making me bring more quality content for you. So let's get started. Number 1. Become a video gamer and earn millions. Are you someone who loves playing video games? Then why not make money while playing? If you haven't considered monetizing your gaming habit, then do it now. It's one of the newest ways to make money online, and unlike other jobs, it can be lots of fun. Recently, you might have seen the growth of new ways of monetizing gaming. There are now far more opportunities to make money from getting gaming than ever. Live streaming is becoming more and more popular each year, with viewership increasing 49% in 2021 from the year prior. You can live stream on Twitch while playing your favorite game and earn while doing so. If you try to go live regularly, you can build a strong audience on Twitch. Because to make money online from streaming, you need a channel with constant updates, engage with viewers in live chat from gaining more attention. This will build your niche following. You can monetize your Twitch channel by selling products, brand sponsorships, fan donations, subscriptions, and Twitch ads. Like Twitch, you can live stream the same way on YouTube too. On YouTube, you can do many things, whether you want to stream your gaming, critique other games, or even offer tutorials on gaming tips. Video games coaching is a new way to making money in gaming. You can offer to coach your favorite match. A video game coach can earn between $20 to $200 per hour depending on their skill level and the number of players they are coaching. For example, Metaphor, a League of Legends coach, offers coaching service for $50 to $80 per hour. Getting started as a coach means gaining an audience through platforms like YouTube or Twitch and offering your services to your audience. You can also become a professional gamer. They compete worldwide and win millions at events sponsored by the Major League Gaming Circuit, the International Dota 2 Championship, and Intel Extreme Masters. MLG has also built arenas to host and stream live professional gaming events across countries. They also scout and have communities on the internet to find the best undiscovered players. Winning game tournaments for games like Call of Duty and Fortnite, etc. are also going to give you serious cash. One of the world's top sports player, Timothy Miller, earns around $322,000 per year participating in tournaments. These are the most straightforward ways to make money playing video games. So don't wait, get your gaming habit to earn some millions. Number 2, become a photographer and click your earn for you. If you love photography, then this one is definitely for you. Photography can make you some good money by covering events, selling prints, doing photo shoots for clients and big brands, and editing and retouching photos. Many photographers pave their way to their $millions worth by having a studio by their own. Another great way to make money with photography is selling photos online. It doesn't matter if you are an amateur or a professional photographer. Selling photos online can be your part-time job, from stock photography website to online marketplace. It's so easy to turn your photography hobby into a source of income. You just have to decide on your photography niche and choose an e-commerce platform to get your stock photo selling going. Full-time photographers can make up to $75,000 per year and make some more doing that. Number 3, create and sell courses. The global e-learning market is set to reach almost $400 billion by 2026. If you excel in a subject and also enjoy curating learning materials, an excellent moment to start selling online courses. Digital courses come in many formats, from simple PDF downloads to videos. Popular online courses are on a variety of topics including computer skills, health and wellness, business and entrepreneurship, financing and investing, and personal development. There are 2 main ways to make money by selling digital courses: by joining an e-learning platform or by creating an e-learning website. Joining an e-learning platform is easier to do, but creating an e-learning website provides more opportunity to test different formats and monetization methods. You can try out few e-learning platforms before creating an e-learning site. Some e-learning platforms are Udemy. They perform courses, quizzes, coding exercises, and discussion forums on many topics. Skillshare, excellent for selling courses on art, digital art, and creative skill. Teachable, it enables you to create unlimited course using any of its paid plans. Podia. Podia is a platform for selling online course, digital downloads, and membership subscription. User can also group similar courses and market them as a bundle. You can make up to $70,000 to $80,000 per year by creating and selling online courses. Number 4. Become a graphic designer, art that will make you rich. The average salary of a graphic designer is around $54,000 per year. For creative individuals, it is a wonderful way to make money online. To become a graphic designer, all you have to do is choose a specialization and then learn the required skills. Many free and paid courses are available on various e-learning platforms to help you with your graphic designer career started. Here are the 3 best sites to make money online with graphic designing. DesignCraft. It offers a wide range of projects from logo and website to billboard design. Minty. Minty is ideal for skilled artists looking for design projects with automatically generated contracts. We Work Remotely can find you different type of remote design jobs. Number 5. Become an event planner. Do you enjoy a good party and you're also a detail oriented? Then you might love to become an event planner. You can help plan or coordinate birthday parties, wedding, baby shower, engagement parties, or business events. More than a full-time career job, event planning is a passion that earns you money. You would work with a client or brand to help their vision come true and get the money by doing what you enjoy. You should start on a smaller scale to be more on a safe side, like your niece's birthday party or an acquaintance bridal shower. The best part and fun part is that you get to decide how many events do you do each month. You can make up to $50,000 per year, so go grab the chance to become the next famous, most sought and rich event planner. As money is necessary for earning the goods and services you need to survive, and awareness of personal finance is crucial. You need to be responsible with the money you earn and save enough for the future to ensure that you will still have enough to survive and live a good life when you can no longer market your labor for money. The sooner you start saving your money, the more possible it is that you'll never face a lack of money or financial crisis or stress. If you save enough and also invest wisely, you can even become financially free, which can make you have enough money to live on the rest of your life. So that's all for today, guys. Hope you liked the video. Do subscribe to my channel, like and share the video. Have any questions, comment down below and let's have a chat, because I love to chat to you guys. I'll see you guys with another informative and exciting video on how to make money.